What up, big time gang? Another Hamilton added to the collection. This one is the Khaki King 2. I am going to unveil this watch to you after I unwrap and size it. We'll come right back after the intro. Sized up and unwrapped. Fits wonderful. I did remove one link. Let's go over the specs real quick. So this is a 40 millimeter case diameter. And then we have got 11 millimeters on the thickness. 49.5 lug to lug with female end links. And a 20 millimeter lug width. Nice black dial with the 12 and 24 hour indices. This is the day date Hamilton caliber H40 with the 80-hour power reserve. And you have that day of the week and date up there at the 12 o'clock. I know some of you will probably hate this. I like it. It's something different. It's a standout in my collection with that date and day of the week up there at the top. To me, it makes the watch. And if I didn't say it already, this is a Hamilton Khaki King 2. And model is H644555133. I will put that in the description because I know I read that quickly. It is a push-pull crown. It is a sapphire crystal. It does have nice big crown guards. It does have a beautiful exhibition case back showing that Hamilton H40 movement and that big rotor with the Hamilton cutouts. I think it looks great. And it's gotten a different model here, which is H644550. But let me know what you guys think. I'm going to say it's about even to what I had from DK. About the same, just a different setup, which to me is awesome. And I'm sure we'll all have all different opinions. I dig it. I super dig it. Let's get the Lume, and then we'll get to the photos, and then of course the sizing and unwrapping at the very end of this video, if you want to stay tuned for that. And Lume is horrible. Nothing impressive at all. Yeah, that is subpar for sure. You've got a little tiny bit, maybe like one layer on the numerals, and then the hands maybe have 5 layers, but this is not impressive at all. Very underwhelming. But I didn't buy the watch to see in the dark. I bought the watch because of the date and day of the week up at the 12 o'clock, and it's a Hamilton, and so I just wanted that unique feature on this watch. And then it's a King's watch. I mean, it's a Khaki King, bro. So you gotta have it. Anyways, let me know your guys' opinions. And we will see you in the next video. I think all the brushing with that polished bezel really makes it look very classy. Everything else is brushed, but you get that high polished bezel that makes the watch just pop. But anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for always tuning in. Much love. God bless. stay to the end of the video. Much appreciated. This is all wrapped up and we're about to unveil the watch and get it fully unwrapped. One of my favorite parts of the video, for sure. I can't say everybody else is as excited as I am, as this is my watch. I get it. But I like to share that moment with you guys. And I think some of you that watch me on the regular just come to expect to see me unwrap in size. Okay, still here plastic. We got plastic on the inside of the bracelets. Case back plastic off. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're plastic free. So here is the watch. Gorgeous as all heck. I had Semicom Reviews, or DK if you know him. I had his 38mm Hamilton. We ended up setting up a trade. He got his back. And I needed another one to replace it. And I've been wanting this one with the day function at the 12 o'clock. Now, I know a lot of you are going to say, you know, they chopped off the 12, the 11, the 1. It looks kind of crappy. I like it because it reminds me of something I'll probably never be able to afford, which is a Rolex day date. And I've always liked that day of the week up there at the top at the 12 o'clock. So that was my chance to get it. So I got the watch. Let's try it on to see how it fits. I might have to remove one link. That's, yeah, about a finger. Let's see, centered. I think I'll go 6 o'clock. We'll do one link at the 6 o'clock. Let's see what we got here. It appears to be roll pins or cotter pins, so it should be pretty easy. Okay, let's see what we got here now. Perfect. So one link out, fits like a glove. Thank you for tuning in. Much love. We'll see you in the next video. God bless.